I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a card from your Payoneer account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Before changing your settings, use the sr.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, find the settings option in the main menu. This is usually located at the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select bank accounts and cards. In the settings menu, look for the section labeled bank accounts and cards. Click on it to see all the linked cards. Step 4. Choose the card to remove. Identify the card you want to remove from the list. Click on the remove or delete option next to that card. Step 5. Confirm the removal. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the card. Confirm your choice to finalize the removal. Be careful not to remove a card that has pending transactions, as this could cause issues with your payments. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble removing your card. Happy managing!